welcome back everyone. To the new viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe down below and leave a comment. I'm here in Islandview, just outside Escazone. Got the two girls with me. We're gonna go for a hike up to Macintosh Falls. I don't know, it doesn't look like a hard one, but we're gonna start the day off with that. So let's get in the woods and get going. Nice worn path up along the brook. Oh, look at this, no hunting. It's a good thing I left my guns at home. That big old rotten tree. All the little holes pecked into it from the birds. Sometimes you just gotta stop and listen and look for wildlife. Good luck doing that with two Bernese mountain dogs. They're like two bulls in a china shop. They're not very quiet. They're not very gentle. Well, they are gentle. They're just big and clumsy. Sometimes it's a simple little thing. That little butterfly came up, almost like pretty much kissed me on the cheek, and then went and landed on a flower. Gorgeous. Quite a deep pool there, right there. The dogs are swimming in. Don't worry, I'm not leaving you. Once I get past her and she's in the water, she can't move quick enough. Oh, we might be here by the looks of it. Cool. Awesome. Oh, there's still a ton of water coming down. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Oh. Let's get up closer. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad for them. I don't like steep cliffs. This is all right. Oh, this is really cool. This is nicer than I expected. I bet you this would be something with a lot of water behind it. Look at that. That deep hole. Curved right into the rock. That one's kind of filled up, but that one's got to be at least 3 feet deep. Oh, look, more. Oh, wow. This one's like a hot tub. Every tier I go up, it gets cooler. Look at this one. I guarantee it, that's over my head. Oh, wow. Let's see what kind of mountain goats I got. That one's going into the water. I might be two still. Oh, okay. Oh, I got that far. Are you coming? Come on. Let's go. Is she gonna fall? She usually does. Come on. There you go, Luce. Come on, Lucy. Good girl. Come on. Come on, you can do it. It's only water. Swim over. That a girl. Look. You can come right up here. Oh, yes. Good girl. Oh, that's a little slick. There we go. All righty. We did it. We're up here. Oh my God, Lucy. Where's Ellie? Macintosh Brook Falls. Pretty awesome. I want to go further, but the poor dogs are down there and I'm scared they're gonna climb the hill. So I'm gonna go down with them. Oh, that was a bit of a mission. Ellie was stuck in a pool up there and couldn't get out. I was up on top of the waterfall there. Lucy was trying to get to me, so she was up on this cliff here, trying to get down. Guess it was. We made it though, didn't we, girls? Oh, there's a bit of something. Worst part is saying goodbye. It's beautiful in there. It's a very easy hike in, maybe an hour in and out, depending on how long you stay at the falls. But we're gonna make our way back out now. I'm guessing there's a nest. They're flying around us, squawking. We'll keep going. We don't want to disturb them. My God, that's a deer going up the brook. And Lucy's after it. Come on, Luce. It's a little baby deer. Where'd he go? I don't know if you guys caught that or not. I thought it was a dog at first from a distance. He outran you, didn't he? Huh? He outran you? Well, we're just about back to the cars and I'm gonna have to put the dogs on the leash. That was a beautiful little hike in and out. Only took not even an hour really. It's pretty cool. We're going through the trees. I'm hoping I caught it on video and you guys already seen it. But it's coming around the corner through the trees and in the brook. It looked like a hound dog. You know, thin, kind of tall. So I'm getting ready to put the dogs on the leash thinking somebody's there and that's their dog. And then all of a sudden Lucy tore off. And I seen it. It was a baby doe. Don't worry, Lucy'd never catch that if it had 3 broken legs. But it was cute to see. It was pretty amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Don't forget to comment down below. And get outside.